In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can view your squad stats here in Battlefield RedSec. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to see how skilled your teammates are before or just during a match, you can actually check their stats pretty easily. What you're going to want to do is just press and hold down that options button on your controller, which is going to be that pause button, just like so. It's kind of hard to demonstrate in the firing range, but essentially what you're going to want to do is just press L2 after that to open up the full version of your scoreboard, and essentially just scroll down, highlight a squad member, and hit X to view their profile, and you can see their kill to death ratio and other stats to gauge skill. You can also do the exact same thing to check your own stats just by hitting options on your controller, going to your profile, and seeing your personal stats and performance metrics. Using these steps, you could quickly access your squad stats and adjust strategies accordingly. But if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.